What's going on, guys? So I've tried to film this video like 50 times now. I'm a little rusty because I haven't been on YouTube in a while, but today I'm making a video on my new car. So basically what happened was I had a CAMARO ZL1, as you guys that follow me on the channel have seen, and I ended up selling that car. It was by far one of my favorite cars to own, and I honestly really regret it, but I think for what I want to achieve within the next 12 months, it makes the most sense. However, what I did get is still something that's really cool that I think you guys are really gonna enjoy and that I'm excited to have on the channel. So yeah, I'm talking to you guys from my new home. I'm living in Laguna Beach, and I will eventually do a house tour on that as well. But yeah, it's been quite a few months. It's been super busy, a lot going on, and I honestly just haven't had time to create the videos that I've been wanting to create. So without further ado, let's go check it out. Alright guys, so I'm sitting in my 2018 Porsche Macan. You guys saw it by now, and I'd love to get your thoughts down below. I picked this up a few months ago, and I honestly haven't had much time to film anything. I also haven't just had an urge to like share it online or anything. It's nothing crazy. It's honestly, I had a Jeep Grand Cherokee and I really liked the SUV life. Like it was awesome. And what I ended up doing is I wanted to upgrade from a Jeep to a Porsche because I wanted to make that jump into the luxury SUV market, because that's been really intriguing me lately. I'm honestly like super interested in the Lambo Urus. I'm also interested in the Bentley Bentayga, but I know that those two cars are out of my price range right now, and so I wanted to jump into something that was comfortable, both like physically, like sitting in it, driving, fun, but also price range wise. And so yeah, I jumped into this car. I really love it. And yeah, I'm super excited to make more videos with it. I honestly, like, this car handles amazing. Like, it drives like a sports car. It feels like I'm driving a coupe, just like in a bigger body. You know, to drive to my house, it's kind of a windy road and it goes uphill, and it's honestly like it handles so well. So so far I'm loving the car, and this is going to be a quick short video just to reveal it to you guys, to show you what I have right now. And let me know down below what kind of videos you guys would like to see, because I noticed there aren't many Porsche Macan videos out on YouTube, and so I'd like to start sharing more about it with you guys, because I think it's a highly underrated car, and I'd love to get your guys' thoughts. So if you guys have any opinions, any comments, anything you want to say, feel free to leave them down below, and I will talk to you guys next time.